So what is up guys, welcome back to another slide light video. In this video I'll be showing you my routine on how I edit my thumbnails. Now I know some of y'all are waiting for more Valorant content, but unfortunately this week I have exams, so I have to do more like design content and less dedicated stuff. But I have so many things planned after my exams are done. I will like show you tips and tricks on certain heroes, my Viper lineups, my Jett lineups, my Jett Dash lineups, and my Jett Windstorm lineups, and of course the one and only SKYE's flashes and SKYE's lineup. Hopefully by next week when I'm done with my exams, which is on Tuesday of the next week, I will show you guys some of that content I have prepared for you guys. And I will definitely streaming more and getting more clips, getting more insane plays on my Twitch, so you guys can follow my Twitch. So yeah guys, in this video I'll show you guys some of my how-tos and my kind of nitpicks about how I make my thumbnails and what I look for in making a thumbnail. First of all, your thumbnails must be clickable and people must like the concept behind your video and the way you present your video in the image of a thumbnail. That must come first, and that's how I would like to show you guys. Like, this is how I would engage my audience and make them interested in my videos. So thank you guys for watching. If this content helped you in any way, shape or form, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel as I post every 2 days. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy the video.
We were trying